quarter of 20 early on the year, so
3 in, 0 out. Shot. Same score, 0 in, 3 out. Mark, 1. Foul serve. Check the ball, play over. 2 serves. 1-3.
Away, same score, 3 in, 1 out.
for the World Championships here, these games will be going to 15 points. 2 15s and tie break to 11.
It's a mark.
Probably the
4-1.
yesterday against Owen McKenna. Owen couldn't find them in tournament. That's a brilliant serve
mark.
by Dominic.
5.
Absolutely flashes that down the right. He goes the same. Dominic started really quickly.
6. 6 playing 1.
Dominic 6-1 up, and he's going fast here. So Dominic goes to the ceiling. They trade ceiling shots. Dominic going to bottom. Oh, that's an absolutely brilliant kill. Yeah, Dominic is on fire here so far. He's Michael finding it hard to loosen himself up and get into this game so far. After having a pretty tough quarterfinals, as I said, against Owen McKenna, one of the top senior players from Antrim over the last couple of years. The second game of theirs went 15-14.
First time out,
Michael Gregan taking a quick time out here. Taking a quick 1 minute time out. But yeah, Dominic Lynch putting on an exhibition so far. Dominic winning the one wall world title with James Doyle in Limerick only a few short weeks ago. He came out, took a quick drink. He wants to be back in there quick. Both of these players
right, coming back.
had to get this game started and kept going. So 8 serving 1 here. And so Dominic halfway to that first game at the moment. Dominic of the Glenveigh Club in Kerry. That's great.
Good pick.
Dominic annoyed himself after doing some of the hard work.
Foul, second serve.
Michael hasn't really got a serve going so far as he drops it in around the house. Dominic goes for the kill.
Play over.
Yeah, bit
Give it a shot.
of a cover. Dominic looking for it even though he had the shot. Short ball by Michael.
Second serve.
One thing we know about Michael, he's not going to give up anytime soon, even at 8-1 down at the moment. Not really playing some vintage stuff so far. But, Dominic goes to the ceiling, they trade ceiling shots again. That's into the ground from Michael.
Away. Same score, 8 in, 1 out.
Dominic driving it down the left hand side, gets the opportunity off the back wall, he puts it back out. Dominic had opportunities there to finish that rally.
Same score, 1-8.
Bit scratchy the last couple of games. And the last couple of points. As Dominic has kind of got stuck on the A1 for the last maybe 4 or 5 hands, so got a big shout out to all the GA handball staff, because they've put in a Trojan amount of effort as well in preparing the National Handball Centre here.
Shot. Tamar.
Michael
2-8.
breaks that 8-1 scoreline, goes to 8-2. Still a long way to go in this game. It's Dominic and Michael go back to the ceiling. Who's going to take that shot? This is good an opportunity. This good power from Dominic. Michael hasn't got the kill going yet. That's good power again from Dominic. He's trying to,
Shot.
Michael just hasn't been taking those opportunities that's up in front of him. He has to maybe make a little bit more effort there. So, to get those kills further down. Instead, he had a tougher game yesterday. Maybe feeling the effects of trying to loosen up into this game so far. Oh, that's a good shot.
Good pick.
Both of these
Same
players,
score.
even though they're in their 40s, they are absolutely rapid. Give up on nothing. And that's a good kill. That's more like it for Michael Gregan.
3 playing 8.
Michael getting stuck into that.
Final second serve.
Again, good shot by shot here. And Dominic goes to the ceiling. Michael trying to drive it down the right. Good pick from Dominic. Opportunity now for Dominic. Can he put it out away? That's good, well picked by Michael. That's a good finish.
Shot.
Well put away from Michael
Well,
Gregan.
lads. 4 playing 8.
So Michael Gregan's half the deficit now. He's at 8-4 down. Dominic leaving a couple of kills up.
Mark, 5 playing 8.
We're at 5-8 now. Trick shot from Dominic. He's there again.
Ball. We're picking. Mark, 6.
Michael has
6
kind of
playing
stationed
8.
himself at the lines the last couple of points. He's starting to pay off. He's at 6-8 now. Instead, that 8-1 lead has quickly been evaporated. Oh, and Michael goes for that long range corner kill. Dumps into the floor, gives Dominic the opportunity to re-establish some control of this game that he had early on in the match. Opportunity here for Dominic. Gets a bit of power down the right. A real battle. Every shot going exactly either way.
Good rally. Side away. 6 in, 8 out.
It's alright. 6-8. So the carry man against Wicklow here. Ooh.
Side away.
Michael not happy
Same
with
score.
that big opportunity in the middle of the court.
6 out.
Big opportunity in the middle court. Just dumps into the ground. So Dominic looking to get that first serve going again as he drives it down the right. It's a good pick out from the back corner from Michael Gregan. That's it. Dominic had a look at that. He just
Side away.
ran a little short in there.
Sorry, Mike.
So looking for a towel.
Is it wet, is it?
As Dominic goes and gets the mop to wipe the floor. We take a break in play here. On after this match on this court, we have Caelan Daly from Carrickmore in Tyrone. We have Abe Montillo from
Michael
Arizona
serve.
in the USA.
6 in, 8 out.
Great to see Caelan back in the mix of open handball. That's good power from Dominic. He just overcooks it a bit. That's a great finish from Michael Gregan. That's an unbelievable shot.
Mark. 7, 7, 8.
We're back at 7-8 now. That's a good shot.
Mark.
The
Together.
scores come
at 8.
together. Dominic having a hard time trying to break the
Foul,
rhythm here of
second
Michael
serve.
Gregan. We're at 8-8. Now, we go to the ceiling. Opportunity for Dominic. Goes down the left. Dominic goes back to the ceiling again. Good battle here so far. And the hand there from Michael gives Dominic the chance.
Side away.
Dominic uses the power, traps him in the front court there.
Same score. 8 in, 8 out.
As our referee Conor Maxwell calls the scores, we're together at 8. Dominic been at 8 for a long time now and having a hard time breaking this 8-point duct at the moment. Oh, it's a reserve. It's going to be replayed.
You have the benefit. Check the ball, Dominic. Check the ball.
As we go to
8 all. Play over.
8-8.
Foul, second serve.
It's a good shot from Dominic. Dominic breaks his 8-point duct. He's at 9 and
That's
picks up
9.
a point.
9 playing 8.
We go Michael with a shot going around the walls as he wraps it around. Opportunity for Michael off the back wall. Scoops it off. That's a great pick by Dominic. He's going to be in again. Oh, lets it through his legs. What a rally. Oh, and great touch from Michael Gregan. Unbelievable stuff. Incredible from Dominic.
Side away. Dominic, first time out, Dominic. 1 minute, lads.
Incredible stuff. On the show court at the moment, we have Niall O'Connor and John Chapman, the brother of the great Dave Chapman. Niall O'Connor is 9-4 up in that first game. We'll try and get. Now just see what's going on court 2.
Give the benefit.
And on court 2 we have Brendan Fleming and Joe McCann. They are also very close, having a very close first game there. It's 6-6 in that court 2 at the moment.
Lads.
So
8 in, 9 out.
return to the action here. We'll keep an eye on the other games for you as well, if you're watching this one. That's it.
Mark.
Another good shot.
Together at 9.
The scores come together again.
Short ball. Second serve.
What footwork from Dominic there. Michael wasn't that
Side
far away either.
Same score. 9 in, 9 out.
Well dug out by Dominic. Michael with the opportunity brings it around. Trying to pin it on Dominic's right hand.
It's a mark.
That's a point to Dominic. We're at 10-9 here.
That's 10.
On
10
court
play
3.
9.
It's a good serve again. Just making. Oh, that's it.
Michael, you just stood there. Right, the serve. I thought the serve was good.
No, I thought the serve was short.
You thought it was short.
Yeah. It's
Zero
our
was-
line judge. So we're gonna. So
No. I thought it was over. Yeah. So Michael, I actually thought it was over myself.
so
To be
there's
fair, I actually thought it was over.
Well,
So-
you can over me. We have to over on me. Ultimately, it's your call. You can over on me.
What?
You can over on me.
so
Take 2 serves, okay? Mike, if it's short, I'll call it. Don't get me wrong, but you did stand in the way for it, that receiving shot. Yeah. Take 2, right? 10 in, 9 out.
okay. So as we go, try and get through that confusion of an appeal on the serve. Dominic had 2 serves, even though he had hit 1 short. So. The semi-finals of the men's 40 singles here.
Shot. Slide away. 9 in, 10 out. Shot.
Good shot by
That's a
Michael
mark.
Gregan.
Together, a 10.
As the scores come together. Michael Gregan goes for the kill. That's a great shot by Michael.
Mark.
Goes and absolutely flans
11
it.
in, 10 out.
We'll see Ivan Burgos and Abe Montillo enter the.
Slide out. 10 in, 11 out. Foul, second serve.
So, as Michael Gregan takes the lead for the first time in this match. Remember, Dominic had at one stage an 8 points to 1 lead. That's a good
Same
shot by
way.
Michael. He's
Same
been
score. 10
very
in, 10 out.
aggressive. He's in the show court at the moment. Niall O'Connor is 14-6 up on John Chapman. That's a good shot from Dominic. Dominic needed that to sell back
Side
into
out.
this again now.
10 in, 11 out.
Oh, it's a good. Michael Gregan
Side
almost
away.
hit himself there, but he
Same
gets away
score.
with this.
11 in, 10 out.
So we're at 11-10 in this first game. Michael off the back one to the front. Dominic with a shot and hits it right at the feet of Michael
Side
Gregan.
away, same score.
On court 2 at the moment, Joe McCann
Shot, second
is
serve.
11-7 up on Brendan Fleming. We have day 1 of the World Championships here. As Tommy Lynch goes down the right, goes back across the left, and that's a good finish.
That's a mark. Together at 11.
We're at 11 all here. So 11 all. Tommy Lynch goes down the right. It's a great pick by Michael Gregan, getting up off his feet. They trade sealing shots again, waiting for a chink to happen. It's not going to be it, but could that be it? No, goes back safe again. Opportunity. Oh, Michael puts it into the ground.
Ready, lads?
Took on the fly off the left hand
That's a
side
mark.
wall.
11. Second time out for Michael.
Michael Gregan taking
1
the
minute,
time
lads.
out. Quick 1 minute here. So, just a quick check up. Niall O'Connor is at game ball in the first game against John Chapman on the show court, and Joe McCann is 11-8 up on
12 in,
Brendan
11
Fleming
out.
on court
Dominic
2.
serving.
And on court 3 here, Dominic Lynch has retaken the lead. He was at one stage at 8-1 up, only to be caught by Michael Gregan. Michael Gregan took a lead at 11-10. But this is anyone's game so far, guys. There wouldn't be a Rizla between them.
15 seconds.
Stylistically similar, with speed
Dominic
and power.
serving. Score is
Two of them like to set up for
12
kills
in,
off their left hand.
11 out.
So Dominic Lynch to serve at
Okay, lads, play ball.
12-11 here.
Short, second serve.
So first one short. That's a great shot.
Shot.
Michael Gregan just drops away into that left hand pocket. He
Same score, 11
loves that
in,
shot where
12
he
out.
actually drives it with his left hand. That's a good shot again by Michael Gregan.
Shot.
He brings the scores
Together
together.
12.
At 12-12. Niall O'Connor's just after winning the first
Shot,
game of
second
his
serve.
match and the show course. 15-9.
Side away. Same score, 12 in, 12 out.
Michael, driving Dominic back into the back court. Wouldn't want to be calling this now, to be honest. This could go either way. The race to 15. Opportunity for Dominic. Oh, he kind of leaves it in the middle of the court. What's going to happen here? Oh, and Michael puts it away.
Side away.
Finishing it off the
Same
left-hand
score,
side wall.
together at 12.
A great shot.
Short second serve.
And Michael dropping off the right side wall there. Dominic again. It's an opportunity for Michael. It's good power.
Mark. 13 in, 12 out.
We're at 13-12. Michael Gregan regains the lead.
Short second serve.
Digging in deep in that first game. A big mistake from Michael
Side
there.
out.
He knows it as well as he puts
12
his hands
in,
on his head.
13 out.
He had a great opportunity as the ball popped up in front of him. Dominic make the most of that mistake. Drives it back, Michael back into the back court. Oh, it's a great shot from Dominic.
Good pick.
Unbelievable
Mark.
footwork. The ball just drops
Together
so
at
deep.
13.
He gets his hand on it, but just whips it into the front court and absolutely rolls it. Great shot. Dominic uses the power down the right again. He's trying to finish this off quickly. See the intensity from both players is taken up a notch here. Opportunity for Michael. No, he goes to the ceiling. With these players waiting for an opportunity to shoot. So that goes around the house into the back court. Opportunity for Dominic Lynch. Great pick from Michael. There's Michael dives in. That's a great shot. He puts it, and he hasn't given up on it yet. Dominic with an opportunity goes down the right. Michael doesn't finish it. It's unbelievable stuff. Oh, what a shot! What a shot! Oh my God! Both players diving and killing. That was outrageous stuff. Oh my God. What can you say? I'm actually speechless.
Side away.
Both players playing outstanding
13
stuff. The scores go together again.
go, lads.
Michael Gregan, what heart.
We
He
need a
didn't
break.
give up on any shot. Shots
Good
down the
rally,
left,
lads, good
shots
rally.
down the right. Didn't
Good
matter
thinking,
to him. He
Michael.
kept on going.
13 all.
I'm trying to fix my monitor here on my
Michael
own
serve.
here. If any of the guys upstairs want to
Good
come
rally,
down and
lads.
fix it for me.
2 old boys.
It's not a timeout. Just a court clean.
Dominic has a timeout left.
Yeah, that's
No, it's just not a timeout. It's,
court clean, yeah.
it's not official.
The referee
All right,
has
lads.
in discussions
it
with
on.
his line judges there about whether this was the
Before
timeout
we
or
get
not.
tired. Good rally, lads. Michael serve 13 all.
On court 2 at the moment. It's a very tight game there as well. As Joe McCann is 13-12 up. Mike Green with an opportunity. Dominic doesn't.
Good call. Thanks, Dominic.
Dominic calls it on himself.
Call. Mark, 14.
So we're at game ball. Michael Gregan at one stage in this game was 8-1 down. Oh, it's a great shot, and that's the first game for Michael
First game.
Gregan.
Michael. No, Mike.
Brilliant stuff so far from both players. Some epic rallies. So we're going to take a quick 2-minute break and we're going to be back.
Yeah, I give it to. Was that the match ball I give Michael? Was it? I'll try to get another one.
So we're going to take a
Dan,
2-minute break here and
try
we'll
to
be
get
back
another ball, would you?
with the second game.
Please. 2 minutes, lads. Or whatever. 3 days. Serve 0-0, play ball.
And we are back for game 2. On court 2, Brendan Fleming just took the first game of that semi-final, 15-13.
1-0.
On the show court at the moment, Niall O'Connor is a game up and 3-1 up against John Chapman.
Check the ball, play over.
A real change of momentum with Michael Gregan. Took him a while to really settle into the game and kind of warm himself into the game, but once he did, he's very good. Dominic started the game like a train. He went 8-1 up in that first game. Can he do the same in this game? That's the big question. They're playing at a ferocious pace. The winner of this game will be playing tomorrow in the final against either Brendan Fleming or Joe McCann. So as we go back to trade and ceiling shots here, opportunity for Dominic now. He doesn't go for it though.
Mark, 2 playing 0.
Not a little gun shy is Dominic, but we know one kill can change his mentality into going for it again. Michael Gregan a 2-point advantage at the moment. We'll go around the house.
Side away, same
Dominic
score, 0 in, 2
back
out.
into serve, but having a little bit of trouble trying to get Michael out of the centre of the court here the last couple of minutes. So drives it down the left side. Great power off the serve from Dominic. Left inside and Michael puts it away.
Same score, 2 in.
Dominic took a half step to the right. So he did. Possible opportunity off the backboard for Dominic, and he finishes it.
Side away.
Now, could that be the swinging momentum that Dominic needs to get himself going now? Dominic goes down the right, goes for that serve down the right, and finishes it in the centre court. That's a good shot.
1 played 4.
Dominic trying to get that serve going that he was ripping at earlier on in the game. Dominic tries to run it down. It's a good pass shot down the right by Michael Gregan. That's a good finish as well. Michael is getting hot here.
5 playing 1. Shot.
From that point that Dominic had that 8-1 lead,
1 in, 5 out.
Michael has gone on a 20-7 run. That's just showing straight away why he's one of the favourites for this world title in the over 40 category. That's a good pass. Michael digs it out of the back court. Great pick. He goes up to the ceiling, driving Dominic out the back. This is an opportunity for Michael, and he puts her away. Won't miss shot opportunities like that.
6.
Michael really motoring here. 6-1 up in the second game. Lobs it off that right hand sidewall. Oh, and goes down to his knees, tries to paddle it into the front corner, but just comes up short, skips it in. So Dominic really has to stem the flow here. He's going to try and get back into this match. Ah, it's a great shot. Just pokes it into the front court.
Side out. 6 in, 1 out. Short second serve.
So the second game is just after getting started between Joe McCann and Brendan Fleming. court 2. Whereas Michael's done very well keeping Dominic in the back court for the majority of this match since it's a good finish as well.
Mark, 7.
Michael off his left hand, showing that he's always a top senior with lethal opportunities. Dominic having a hard time moving him from the centre court.
8 playing 1.
And Michael taking every opportunity that's afforded to him.
Short,
As we saw in the first game, this game isn't definitely not going to be over until it's over. So Dominic just needs to get a run out. And said Michael is 8-1 up. Dominic was 8-1 up in his first game. So can Dominic change the momentum here a bit? Oh, and puts it into the floor.
Side out. 1 in, 8 out.
Opportunity for Dominic. Michael dives in. Dominic does well, just digs out the back. Opportunity off the back for Dominic, but he goes off the sidewall as well. Just traps him. And that's an opportunity for Michael that he puts away.
Good rally, lads.
Michael Gregan takes the time out.
1 minute, lads. 1 minute.
So we're still at 8-1 here on the show court at the moment. Niall O'Connor with a game up, and he's 7-2 up in the second game against John Chapman. The Chapman name is famous as they get in handball. On court 2, it's Brendan Fleming's a game up, but he's 2-1 down in the start of the second game there. And on this court we have Dominic Lynch with a bit of a mountain to climb now. Michael Gregan 8-1 up and a game up in this second game. But Dominic,
20 seconds, boys. 20 seconds.
yeah, so Michael was 8-1 down in the first game, came back to win a 15-14. Dominic has to do the exact same as was done to him in the first game. So, but it's goes back to the ceiling. Michael pushes Dominic into that back corner.
9 in, 1 out.
That kind of scoops off Dominic's hand. That's a good finish. Michael taking every opportunity to try and go for the kill.
10.
Even half opportunities are coming off for him at the moment, so we're at 10-1.
Foul, second serve.
A foul serve. It's a good shot. Dominic digs out of the back corner. Goes in and digs out in the front again. Not giving up yet anyway. Michael Gregan goes in the corner. Michael has Dominic everywhere at the moment. This is an opportunity off the back wall. He has to put this away. Digs it out and kills it. Oh, Dominic disgusted with him.
Pick, Mark.
Just feinting, just that inch up. So we're at 11-1 now in the second game. Mike, got to say, he really settled into this game. Looking very strong here. Pushing Dominic left and right. Ooh, with an opportunity, shouldn't miss that.
Side out. 1 in, 11 out.
So, Dominic back into serve. 11-1.
Play over, check the ball. Right, Dom.
Dominic Lynch trying to drag Michael into a bit of a battle here, but Michael is in complete
Side away,
control.
side
Any
score,
opportunity
11 in,
he
one
gets,
out.
he seems to be able to stone cold roll it out, steaming his way into the finals of the men's 40
away.
world title.
Same score.
So Dominic at 111 down. That's a good shot.
It's a mark.
Dropped right in Dominic's wheelhouse and
Two
he
playing
put
11.
it away. That's a good serve from Dominic. Put a big disguise on it. And he had the opportunity to go for it as well. Gotta say, great footwork from Michael Gregan. Half went to the left.
Short second serve.
Scampered over to the right to dig it out. Took advantage of the hand error from Dominic as well. So it's a good shot from Michael Green. Good pass down the line.
Mark. 12 in, 2 out.
So 12-2 here, and the writing does look on the wall when serves come off like that. Michael Gregan serves down the right, just skips in the crack and comes clean. That's 2 in a row that he's got. Dominic going to the bottom, trying to
Rally. Side away, 2 in, 13 out.
So 2-13 here. And the show court, Niall O'Connor is well in control. He's 10-4 up in the second game with the game up already against John Chapman. And on court 2,
Shot.
Brendan Fleming's 5-3 up on Joe McCann with the game up already as well. So lots of competitive action here. On this court, after this match, we have Abe Montillo and Caelan Daly.
14.
In court 2, we've got
14
Ian McLaughlin,
in,
Lauren Collado, and on the show court, we have Jared Coon and Rainy Lopez. So that's Michael Gregan into the World Championship Finals in the men's over 40s. An unbelievable display. He came back from 8-1 down in the first game. Put in an unbelievable effort to dig that back out. Won the first game 15-14 and really carried that momentum through. Took control of the game, didn't move from the centre. Had Dominic left and right. Dominic probably a little bit disappointed in where his performance is today, but you've got to say Michael Gregan looking very, very strong in the final. We'll be back in a couple of minutes for the next game. As I said, Jerkun's going to be on the show court against Rena Lopez. Lauren Collado is going to be up against Ian McLaughlin, and Caelan Daly is going to be playing the great Abe Montillo from Arizona. Don't go anywhere. We'll be back in a couple of minutes.
2:15, tiebreaker 11. Perfect. Play ball.
Okay. We are back in action here in Court 3 with Arizona's Abe Montillo and Caelan Daly from the Carrickmore Club in Tyrone. Caelan back in
First mark,
the
1-0.
handball court after taking a bit of time out the last couple of years. A very active player playing on the Pro Tour.
Same score, 1-0.
Won the 3-wall National 40 title in
Short.
the Maumee Centre in Ohio, so we'll be looking to get a win here against Caelan Daly. It was around the 64 game. Caelan Daly was playing a lot of football over the last couple of years, so back in the handball court. Player that many iomlán titles over the years, along with his brother Dar, who's sitting in front of me.
2-0.
Our referee for this game is Dominic Lynch. Caelan, who serves it, puts it down the left. Good pick from Abe.
Side
Abe,
away.
who lives in Tucson, Arizona.
0 playing 2.
Very experienced pro player in America.
Short.
I see short, but there the call rules me, so
I thought it was okay.
that's okay then.
I thought it was okay. So yeah.
So
1 playing 2.
Caelan appealed the serve. Gets another serve down the right from Abe. One serve and 2 here to Abe Montillo. Big hop there to the right from Caelan in the middle of the rally. Abe is going to put it off the back wall and then change his mind last minute.
Side away. 2 serving to 1.
Alright, 2-1 here to Caelan Daly. Daly
Short
goes for
ball.
that power serve down the left again. It's a short. Going to his second serve. These games, the World Championships, are to 15 points. Tiebreaker to 11. The rest are 3 games. So World Finals will be next Sunday. This is the opening round of the open singles. Caelan Daly.
Side away.
As Abe puts it around the house and it just
1
cracks
serving to
off the
3.
left hand side.
Short ball.
Good serve.
Just watch the
Just short.
front line.
So Abe getting a warning on the front line there. In centre court at the moment we've got Ballina Tipperary's Jared Coonan against Reina Lopez from
Side
USA.
away. 3 serving 1.
That's a good serve from Caelan. He cracks out deep on the left hand side wall.
4 serving 1.
Started very fast here at 4-1. And Daly goes to the ceiling. Oh, that's a good put away. Goes
Side
with the
away.
corner
1
kill.
serving to 4.
He's still finding his way through this first game.
Short ball.
2 over 40 semi-finals have come to an end, and in the final tomorrow we will have Cooler Boys Michael Gregan from County Wicklow. He'll be playing Brendan Fleming from the Ballydesmond Club in Cork. So as Abe Montillo passes it down the right.
2 serving to 4.
So 2-4 here.
Short. Short ball.
Short. Both players wrap the ball around. It's a good shot by Abe as he whips it into that left hand corner.
3 serving to
straightens
4.
out off the back wall. That's a point.
Check the
to
ball.
Abe.
Together at 4.
So we're 4-4 here.
Shot.
That's a good put away from Caelan.
Side away. 4 serving 4.
That's a good finish. Abe leaves it up. Caelan
5
shooting the
serving
ball from
4.
38 feet. Finishing it off cleanly, in fairness.
Shot ball.
It's that short.
Shot.
Then he knew himself. As our referee gets some validation from our line judge beside me. It's a good pick out from Caelan Daly. Abe in the backcourt here.
Okay.
So I think they put a bad bounce or contact there.
Off the light. Okay. 5 serving to 4.
So we're at 5-4 here. As he digs out of the backcourt. He goes down the right hand side again.
Side away. 4 serving to 5.
We're at 4-7-5 here. And he goes down the right again. Oh, and that's it's a hand error off the back wall.
5 serving to 4.
So if anyone's listening to the stream and on the YouTube channel, give us your picks for the championships here. Who do you think is going to put a comment in the
6
chat there
serving
and tell me
4.
who you think is going to win? And tight game here so far as Caelan Daly just floats it down the left. Opportunity for Abe to go for it, but he leaves it up, and Caelan then misses
away.
into the ground.
4 serving to 6. Shot ball.
Abe still selling into this game so far. Hasn't really found his range, so he'll be looking to get a couple of kills off in the next couple of rallies, I'm sure. There's a hand error off his left hand as he came around.
6 serving to 4.
So we're at 6-4 here.
Short.
Short ball. Opportunity for AG, didn't go for it. As Caelan goes to the ceiling. Opportunity down the right, and Caelan puts it away. Just have that feeling that Abe has to be a little bit more aggressive here when he's going for a kill. Get some kills off. Challenge him, that's a better shot. As goes through that revolving door, the other side rolls it. Does get that kill, hits it about an inch or two high. And we get around. That's a good put away from Caelan Daly. He's been steady in this game. If not
7 serving to 4.
completely spectacular by his own standards. He's just kind of ticking away, keeping the scoreboard ticking over. So he pushes him back into the back court. Ken was half tempted to maybe go for that, but went back to the ceiling. This is an opportunity for Caelan. Again, just doesn't get his feet right.
First time out.
So Abe takes a timeout. As we go to take a quick minute here, I'll bring you on the show court at the moment. Jer Coonan is playing Reed Lopez. He's 7-2 up here on the show court. The Ballina man. Big shout out to our sponsors, O'Neill.com, who have sponsored the Wallball World Championships in Limerick a couple of weeks ago and are sponsoring this World Championship. Big shout out to all the venues across Leinster that are hosting these championships. I know there's been a Trojan amount of work over the last couple of weeks. Everyone has really put their shoulder to the wheel to make this happen, and obviously big shout out to Joe O'Connell, who's put a system in place that we can see scores from across the championship in real time. So you'll even see on the scoreboard here, we can actually we're getting a live update from the scoreboard. Our scoreboard operator here beside me, Alicia McCrory. So yeah, look, it's been a real team effort.
Okay, time in. Score is 4-7. Across
the Leinster region in handball to make these World Championships a success so far, so it's been great. Abe goes into this. 3 points down at the moment.
Play over.
It's a replay.
Play it again.
Didn't look like a him. It was hard to tell from this angle though. It was close though. So Caelan goes to the ceiling. An opportunity for Abe off his left hand. Drives it back. Caelan back into the back court. That's a good put away. The American guys are getting out in force here.
5-7.
There's a big crowd watching the over 40s semi-final on court 2 there a couple of minutes ago, and they've all seemed to congregated here. But Caelan goes down the right. Opportunity, and he puts it away in the corner kill.
7-5.
Caelan Daly just taking things over at the moment. That's a good serve.
I see good. Good, yeah.
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 Yeah, good.
8-5.
It's Caelan. What's that? Caelan goes for the left corner but doesn't come off. Digs it back out of the back court again. That's a good put away from Abe. Caelan tries to go for it but
Side away.
doesn't get in there in the end.
5-8. 5-8. No, 5-8.
Yeah, that's right.
Six serving 8.
6-8 here in this first
Sharp
game. Good work from Abe Tier there. Goes and dives in the front court. He gets back up and goes back out the side again. Caelan Daly kind of pushing around all over the shop. He's going to go for it. Oh, Abe just kind of snatches at that off the back wall.
8-6.
8-6 here. They pushed back into the backcourt again. Bit of a hand there from Caelan, giving Abe the opportunity. He doesn't take it. Good power from Caelan off his left hand. So
9 serving to 6.
Alright, 9-6 here. Then goes to drive Abe deep to the backcourt, and Abe puts it away. Just floats into that front wall, clips off the side wall to go dead.
6 serving to 9. Okay.
You see Marisol in the chat there saying, "Let's go, Abe." So Abe attracting some of the Americans into the chat. Abe does a lot of
Score
work
is 6
with
serving
juvenile
to 9.
handballers in Tucson, and bringing through a lot of young kids into a program there. So big shout out to all the juvenile handballers from Tucson. Tucson with a long history of top handball out of Arizona. As Abe goes to that front court kill, puts it around the corner. Still in touch,
7
he's not that
serving to
far
9.
away. It's 7-9 in a game to 15, but he has to make a push now. You feel that now is a vital part of the game for him. That's a good shot. That's a really good shot. He put him
8 serving 9.
to the right, and then made Caelan push all the way to the left as he put it down the wall. Opportunity for Abe to go down. Big opportunity again for Abe. Does he go? He takes it out. Abe's starting to find a bit of form here. So the scores come together.
Together at 9.
Oh, we're at together at 9 here. Oh, and that one skips in. Caelan leaving
Side away.
Caelan leaving
9
Abe
serving
with
9.
another opportunity there. So
Side away 9-9.
So it scores together at 9 here again.
Same score 9-9. Shot ball.
This is anyone's game here. We could see either take this first game at 9-all. Abe showing a couple of moments there in the last couple of minutes. He goes again. He's gone very aggressive.
Side away 9-9.
Again, trying to fight fire with fire now. You can see in his body the way he's shaping up for these shots. He's almost a bit more engaged. Opportunity for Abe off the fly, and he goes and puts it away. Caelan Davey takes time out.
Okay,
As Abe
first time
takes
out.
the lead for the first time in the game. We're at 10-9
Go
here.
back in third serving 9.
So we're at 10-9 here. Abe working his way through the game, getting stronger as he goes along, got to be said. But it's close so far. So check on court, the show court at the moment. We're at Jerkun is 10-4 up in his match against Ringo Lopez, and on court 2 we have Ian McLaughlin, Lauren Collado.
10 seconds.
Lauren Collado is taking an 8-0 lead against Ian McLaughlin here in court 2. So the Newport man has a long way to go to
Okay, score is 10 serving to
drag
9.
that in. So he'll be hoping to turn that around at the moment. On this court, we're at 10-9. Abe Montijo has the lead for the first time in the match. It's a wild swing from Abe.
Saturday 9 serving to 10.
He was talking earlier to me about how the difference in the ball, that he finds it a lot slower compared to the ball they use in America. And then something we can't really, he just has to deal with. So
10 serving to 10.
it's 10-all. In fairness, Abe did get close, but that's into the ground. Abe would be disappointed at that now. He did
11
go very
serving 10.
aggressive, but he's giving Caelan an easy point there. Now out of the back corner, which one's going to go for it? Caelan puts Abe deep. This is an opportunity now for Caelan Daly. And that's a good dive from Abe. He's on his knees. Caelan puts it up onto the ceiling. Abe goes really aggressive, goes for a tomahawk. He's going to take this opportunity now. It's a good shot from Caelan Daly, digging out the back left court. He goes, wraps it around. Opportunity for Abe. Abe trying to move Caelan. Caelan Daly sticking in the rally, and Abe goes for the corner kill. He comes up short, hits that side wall, and just
12 serving to 10. You just check the floor. Yeah, okay. 2 minutes.
right. We're going to take a 2-minute glove change here.
Jack.
That last rally was very interesting, where you can see Abe trying to really go for it from early, and when the opportunity presented itself, he just caught that sidewall, catches it enough to not make the front wall. Jerkun in the show court is in complete control. He's 12-5 up here in the National Handball Centre. These World Championships brought to you by TG4 Spórt and sponsored by O'Neills.com. It's the first round of the open singles. 12-10 here in court 3. Caelan Daly in the Carrickmore Club in Tyrone. Ian McLaughlin with quite a mountain to climb in court 2. He's playing America's Lauren Collado there. As the world waits for Alicia McCrory to get back here. This is the scoreboard wouldn't tick over without Alicia here, so fair play to her. So as we get back to the action with Carrickmore's, Tyrone's Caelan Daly, 12-10 up against Arizona's Abe Montijo here at the World Handball Championships. Abe has been very aggressive last couple of.
Okay, play ball.
Gonna need that now. Caelan Daly now 3 points away from that first game.
No.
Caelan Daly looking for some
Side
sort of
away,
contact there,
10
but
serving
he's
to
never going
12.
to get that. Caelan goes for that bomb brick in the right hand corner. Oh, and then just comes up short again. Opportunity really presented
11 serving
itself.
12.
So we're at 11-12 here. Big opportunity for Caelan again, but he plays kind of safe. Oh, and Abe skips it in.
12 serving to 11. Shot.
Caelan going for that right hand crack serve that he hit earlier on in the match that just kind of trickles over that sidewall. He hit that a bit short though. Goes back to the left hand, breaking off the deep off that left hand sidewall. Drives it down the line. Goes back to the ring. Abe goes for that overhand tomahawk again. Got one of them earlier, but
13-11.
again gone. Maybe his strike has gone a bit messy there as he goes around the walls.
Right, contact.
Contact.
Okay. Yeah. Replay it. Replay it over. Yeah, but there was contact between you. He touched each other. There was contact. It's a replay.
So
Yeah, and the score is 13-11.
again, Dominic looking for some sort of call there, but or Abe is looking for a call off Dominic there, but he's not coming. So he's getting a little bit distracted, trying to keep an eye on what was going on in court 2 at 3-12. Ian McLaughlin being well put away by Don Collado. And
11 serving 13.
so Abe Montiel, can he draw Carmore's Caelan Daly back into the dogfight that he had? He did have a lead at one point in the match a couple of points ago, but Caelan for the majority of this game has been winning this game, so opportunity for Abe.
Replay it again.
It's a reserve. Abe half trying to get out of the way, half trying to get a position.
Same score, 11-13.
We're at 11-13 here. Ball just popped up almost ideally for Caelan. That was a good shot from Abe. He just kind of
12
dropped
serving 13.
on the show court. Jared Coonan is a game up against Rena Lopez. And Caelan Daly gets back into serve.
13 serving to 12.
But this has been a real back and forth here. Oh, it's a great serve from Caelan. Hits it with a good natural hook that just flans out. Abe Montiel
Coming back in 14-12.
intelligently takes the time out. Caelan Daly will be serving for the match when we get back here in 1 minute's time. On the other court, Ian McLaughlin still trying to battle his way into the game there. He's 14-5 down against Lauren Collado of California. Jared Coonan in complete control of his first round match on the show court. He's a game up as they're just about serving off for the second game. And on this court, Caelan Daly's going to be serving for the first game against Abe Montillo of Tucson, Arizona. So
5 seconds, Dominic.
Okay, time.
So the referee, under the instruction of our line judge,
Score is
Nathan McCrory,
14 serving to 12.
gets the lads back into the court. And we go to
Game ball.
game ball in the first game. And Abe Montillo with a 3-point deficit here to win this first game himself. So race to 15s. Opportunity for Caelan Daly, and that's a good shot by Abe Montillo. He's aggressive, he got into the front corner, but he took his opportunity well. Good. Oh, it's a great shot from Abe. Abe going for it here. Has to go for it, if anything.
13 serving to 14.
Oh, Caelan Daly hits a big kill. Great shot.
Hit, side away.
Really,
Score
really
is
good
14-13.
play by both players there. As we watch this replay, Caelan with a punch, fist kill to the front corner. The line judge is looking at me funny here. I'm talking rubbish.
14 serving to 13.
Anyway, Caelan Daly, day one, and we're getting through these games, but it's 14-13. Caelan Daly serving for the game. It's a good pick by Abe, but it's a good shot. So that's the first game. We're going to take a quick 2 minutes. We'll be back with the second game now. Abe losing that first game 15-13. Good play by Caelan Daly for the majority of the end. He was front running for most of it. So we'll be back in 2 minutes with the second game, okay?
Whenever you're ready, so. Okay, so. Is it on there?
Okay, we are back
Okay.
as our referee
0-0,
Dominic
second
Lynch
game.
gets the guys back for the second game. We have Avon Teo a game down. He's got the serve though. He's starting fast. He's going for it.
First mark, 1-0.
That's 1-0 to Avon Teo from Tucson, Arizona.
Straight away. 0 playing 1. Playing.
So this is, well, it's the first day of the stream here and the first day of the Open Championship.
0-1.
This is actually the third day of handball action in the National Handball Centre here in Croke Park. And there's been championship going on, world championships going on across all grades, across Leinster. 20 venues have been in use.
1 serving to
So
1.
a colossal amount of hard work from every club to get courts in order for the World Championships. And an army of volunteers have been at the ready, so big shout out to everyone that's been volunteering, be it refereeing or making tea and sandwiches or painting courts, and all of that has been happening this week. So it's a big mistake from Abe. Big
2
mistake.
serving to
He
1.
just kind of snatched at it as well, just
Come
trying
on.
too hard maybe. And the other courts, Rena Lopez sticking with Balnad Jerry's Coon. Good pick from Kale. The other courts, Jerry Coon currently a game up against Rena Lopez. Great pick. Kale Daly showing his athleticism. It's a good power from Abe Ponteo. Drives him down the right.
I'm out, okay.
On the court 2, Lauren Collado, a game up against Ian McLaughlin, who didn't settle. He was like 11-0 down at one stage, or 11-1 down, so but seems to have settled much better into this second game. He's currently 2-3 down, trying to make an imprint in this match and drag him into his game. Here on court 3, Caelan Daly is currently a game up and he's 2-1 up on Abe Montillo. But it's early doors. And while Caelan Daly was ahead for most of the first game, Abe did have his moments. So we will be looking to... Okay, so as we resume play here.
Okay. 1 serving to 2.
Montiel drives it down the left-hand wall. Caelan just pops it up. That's a good put away from Abe.
Together at 2. Shot ball.
A big shout out to Finney88. Says Kay the boy,
Shot.
take her home. Clearly supporting the Tyrone man here. Scores come together.
Score is 2-2.
Alright, 2-7-2 here. Ken Daly goes for that crack serve off the left hand side, just about misses it. Trying to push Abe into the deep court. He goes for the bomb. Well dug out by Abe. Puts it around the corner there and Abe wasn't there to react.
3 serving to 2. 4.
Abe being pushed left and right there, pushed all over the shop. And
5 serving to 2.
Caelan takes a couple of points of a lead here, and we're at 5 serving 2. And that's a big hand error from Abe Montiel.
6 serving 2.
Jerkoon running away with his match on the centre court here. He's 12-3 up. Oh, that's into the ground. Big opportunity for Caelan.
Side away. 2 serving to 6.
So Abe Montiel trying to pull in a couple of points now. Good opportunity there. It's a good pick from Caelan Daly. Abe looking for a contact or something.
Well, did you make contact? Well, if you make contact. Okay,
Caelan Daly being very sporting there.
That's what. Just call it right.
Yeah. Dominic Lynch didn't see the contact that occurred. Caelan Daly didn't feel it, but like very sportingly given Nate the benefit of the doubt. He had two lads that would know each other a long time, so even in the World Championship, it's good to see good sportsmanship from the lads here.
Shot ball.
Jerkoon on the show court has gone from 5-4 up to 13-4 in literally a couple of minutes. Caelan Daly gets that revolving door kill. So Jerkoon is going to be serving for the match here. And
short.
There he goes short. Caelan hits that short on court 2. It's 4-4 between Ian McLaughlin and Lauren Collado. Lauren Collado blasted out to a first game win.
That away, 2-7-6.
Sticking with them in that second game. It's Caelan Daly 6-2 up against Abe. Abe goes for the crack serve. Opportunity to go for the kill. That's a big shot from Abe.
3. Shot ball.
So Abe Montiel goes to an overhand lob. Puts it around the walls. And Caelan just snatches at that one.
4-6.
So we're at 4-6, 2 between them.
Serving to 4.
We're at 6-4 here. Caelan Daly back into serve. As Jerkoon just finished off his game on the show court.
7-4.
Caelan Daly picks up a quick ace. Goes for another one. Abe does well to go in and pick. Caelan puts it away. First time of asking.
Yeah. 8-4. 2 minutes, Caelan. Glove change.
So we're at Abe with
coming back in at
second glove change here. And on court 2, Lauren Collado with the 2-point lead over Ian McLaughlin in the second game. He also has the first game, so he's at 6-4. See him come out here and take a couple of minutes. Abe Montijo with a 4-point deficit in the second game after losing the first one 15-13. After this game, Court 3 will be finishing up, but we'll be still going on the centre court as Ty Carroll will be playing Owen McGinnity. Ty Carroll from the Mallow Club. And Monaghan Harps, Owen McGinnity will be on the show court in a couple of minutes. And on court 2 we'll have Stephen Cooney and Seamus Keneally. Stephen Cooney of the Balladreen Club, playing now in America, living in America for the last number of years. As Caelan Daly with a 4-point lead.
Score is
After winning the first game,
8-4.
Dominic Lynch gets the two guys going again.
Shot ball.
That's short from Caelan Daly. Opportunity for, that's a good finish from Caelan. That's a point.
9.
It just broke away down the line.
Shot.
That's a short ball. Referee quick to call it. Big miss from Abe in the deep court.
10 serving 4.
So at 10-4. This
Shot.
is looking a little ominous. Caelan Daly only a couple of points away from taking this match. Abe really has to try and find a bit of magic at this stage. Could this shot? No. And it popped up off the back while you're hoping for something more from Abe. Abe's not going to give up though. That's a hand error. Caelan Daly keeps the scores ticking over here.
Okay.
So Abe calls his final timeout. So we'll have Caelan Daly electing to stay on the court, just kind of tip around, keep himself warm, and just looking to get that serve going again. There's Lauren Collado with a game up, and he's only 8-4 up on Lee McLaughlin. On the show court, we'll have
Okay, score is 11 serving to 4.
so as we resume this game, Caelan Daly looking to see this out from here. Tyrone Man on his second serve here. Well played. Caelan Daly with the springing step at the moment. As he does well, he goes around and picks it around. This is an opportunity. Caelan just roughs it into the ground.
4-11.
Top
ball.
Well dug out by Abe in the backcourt. Abe going for a big deficit at the moment. In games to 15. But if he could get the next 3 or 4 points, it could put a bit of pressure on Caelan. See where he's going to go from there. Opportunity for Caelan, he goes for it, but he puts it into the ground.
6 serving 11.
He just about read the hop on that one in the middle of the rally. That's a good pick from Caelan Daly. Abe into Rita. Oh, the hand there from Abe. Just popped it up off the sidewall. Oh, just. Yeah,
11
again.
serving to 6.
Sorry, 11-6. Caelan Daly puts it back on the deep court to Abe Montiel. Tyrone Man trying to finish this game early, but that's a good shot from Abe. Abe's not lying down easy. Abe with a punch, tomahawk kill from his shoulder.
6
Hit two or
serving
three
to
of those.
11.
See a lot of the top players floating around here today. See
Trap ball.
one of the talk of the place, young Ray Ure. Got to the final of the last pro stop on the race for 8 stop. The race for 8 tour. Oh, that's a great shot by Caelan Daly. Poor serve though, you got to be said from Abe Montiel.
11
Just kind of
serving to
floats in the
6.
back court and then just come around the corner. Been asking to be killed. Oh, that's put away from by Caelan.
12 serving 6.
Another hand there from Abe again, trying to
Yeah,
be
13
really
coming
aggressive.
back to 6. Time out. What? That's his second one. That's his second in this game.
But Abe Montiel taking his time out.
And you have one. You have one left. No. Yeah, but you're...
Abe taking his time out to as much effect. Ian McLaughlin currently in the lead against Lauren Collada in that second game. Showing a lot of fight because he got well beaten in the first. And he is up 9-8 in the second. Absolutely rolled it there. So fair play to Ian for digging in. Ian with a 2-point lead in the second game. Caelan Daly now, when we go back in, is only going to be 2 points away from taking the match against Arizona's Abe Montiel.
Score is 13 serving to 6.
Clips the back wall as he's taking the strike there. That's a good finish from Caelan Daly. So the Tyrone man is going to have the opportunity to serve for the match here. This is match point serving 6. Will he go for that crack serve? Trying to sneak one down the middle. That goes around the Robin door, but that's an opportunity for Caelan. Puts it around the house. And that's a good pick from Abe. Abe not going away yet. That's the drive down the right. And that's a good finish from Caelan Daly, and that's the match. Caelan Daly wins his round of 64 men's open singles against Abe Montiel, 15-13, 15-6. That's all going to be all from this court, but if you want to go to the show court, we'll have Ty Carroll against Owen McGinty in a couple of minutes, and after on court 2 we're in the second game of Ian McLaughlin and Lauren Collado. Lauren Collado winning the first game quite comprehensively, but Ian McLaughlin 11-8 up in the second and not going away. So 2 great games that are going to be coming up. After that game is going to be Stephen Cooney and Seamus Keneally. So loads of handball here on TG4 Sport at the O'Neills.com World Championship. So we'll be closing down this stream in a couple of minutes, but jump over to one of the others. Chat to you later.